Hello, this is Alessio. This is a video for the US stocks of April 12th. So let's start with Interactive Brokers. So interesting count. So basically, if you've been following, I actually brought to Trading Lounge Interactive Brokers a month ago. So we were around this area, and I said that most likely once we hit the $80 mark, we're gonna see some kind of reaction. Now, of course, if you use the training levels, that's a major training level, and as well, it's a profit taking number, so you could have expected that as well. But yeah, as we can see, we did have a reaction. Interesting fact is that the reaction to the downside in what I marked as minute A, blue A, is in 5 waves. So as you know, 5 waves a trend makes. So that's possibly telling us that we are due either the B is completed right there. So let me zoom in a little for you. So either the B is completed right here around 76 and a half dollars, or so now we're resuming lower to complete C, or we are due a last move to the upside to then resume lower. Not sure which one it is. What I can tell you is that what I will look for is equality of A and C. So if this is the B completed around this area, I will look for a possible reversal. And yeah, as you can see, we also have the parallel channel as well around here. So we'll monitor that and keep you guys posted. Now, if we move to Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, this markup, I brought it. I've been covering ICE for a while now in Trading Lounge, and yeah, the analysis became successful. We broke the B wave as we were expecting of the triangle. So it doesn't matter really to the short term whether it's a intermediate 3 or a minor 3. All it matters is that we are in the making of the 5 or again, doesn't matter whether it's a 5 to complete the 3 or the intermediate 5 at this point. It will matter in a short while, but at this point we will see further upside. But yeah, so we need to break this, and possibly we will if I'm correct. And yeah, you could be buying the pullbacks in as long as there are in 3. So I'm totally I totally agree on that idea. And yeah, there's not really much more to add because the forecast was successful, and yeah, hopefully you did. Some of you took this trade here. It was a pretty good risk reward ratio trade, and yeah, if you did, you can move your stop to break even. Well, actually, you could also move it in profit, because if you did enter around here, you could either move it. Yeah, actually, you could move it here to around $113. That's also, yeah, that could be a good spot. Or if you want to play a little bit safer, around $111. Well, yeah, for upside to come. Moving on to Octa, I had two scenarios. Both of them were with further downside to come. One of them was predicting a triangle. In wave B, of course, it was invalidated. So now what I'm seeing is 5 waves to the upside, and yeah, it could. I'll show you in a little while, in just a second. Sorry, for the subwaves of this possible intermediate C. Now what I want to show you is that I will look for here we have equality, so of A and C. So this could be quite a resistance zone. And yeah, it's 252, so it's also, yeah, I'm sure there's some kind of training levels as well. But yeah, equality, as if you've been following my work, you know that I really care about equality, equal legs. So if I bring you down to the hourly time frame, and move this, you can see how you could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a 5 in the making. Could this be a diagonal? It could. If it is a diagonal in 5, then it's kind of a now or never situation where I would like to see this resuming lower at right now. So yeah, the only thing I don't think this is 1 is because this move up, I just struggle to see sideways up. You know, I can see 1, 2. Yeah, it's I can see. I mean, I just don't see it. I would really have to force it. So that's why I prefer this as an A. And yeah, so again, we'll see. I think that we will have the answer by the end of the week. But yeah, I will look for further downside at this moment. Spotify again, further upside. So yeah, sorry, I don't remember if I said on Okta downside or upside, but either way, I meant downside. Yeah, sorry for that. Okta again, this could be the C. We haven't broken this point, which is still. So I rather stay out at this moment. But yeah, this could be the C right there. So now we could be due to further upside on the longer picture. In terms of short to middle term trading, I can see 5 ways up into 1. And then, yeah, this move down seems to be corrective. The only way I can see this as impulsive is that if we have kind of a leading diagonal, which is, don't get me wrong, it's possible. It's totally possible. So yeah, maybe 1, 2, and then now further downside in 3. But I mean, it does look like we are due further upside. The only way I can see this as not being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is if this is an A. So let me delete this A. This is some kind of triangle in B, and this is up in C. So this could be maybe an A, or let me zoom out. So yeah, ABC. So this could be maybe of a higher degree, something like this. Or if not, still we could see further downside. So yeah, as I said, I'd rather stay out of this. I wanted to present it to you because it could become quite interesting. So yeah, just wanted to point that out for the future, near-term future. So yeah, I said, as long as we don't break this, it's not really safe to enter the upside. However, you know, now I do see the possibility of this being an ABC. So maybe the B is in the making. Sorry, the B is in the making, and this is A, B, and C. Is it possible? Yes, it is. So yeah, we'll see. So this is actually, if this is the scenario, this could be also a tradable opportunity. But yeah, we'll see. But it's good to have in mind both alternates because yeah, that's what Elevate is. You need to have alternates, at least in my opinion, to have a pretty decent trading strategy. But yeah, that's just my opinion though. And then if we move to UPS, this is yeah, as I said previously in the on the videos, and also for members on the chart. I am in this position myself, and we just broke the 1.618 of the length of wave 3 compared to 1. So yeah, further upside to come. Now that we broke this, we could get a reaction. So again, as long as the pullbacks are in 3, I do support the upside totally. And yeah, I need to keep you posted on where the 5 could end. One way to do that is to measure the length of wave 1 and 3, and then see where let's see where the 38.2 is. Let me see. Let me bring this up. 38. Sorry. Just a second. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. I have it. Yeah, sorry. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, so this could be perhaps some kind of zone of resistance, and yeah, we'll see. So let's keep this in mind as first target 193, and we'll see what's going to happen. Again, I want to repeat myself because it's important. Since we broke this, I do favor the upside as long as it's in 3 waves. So now we also have confirmation that this could be a 3, because it's very, you can see yourself, it's very steep. So it's very characteristic of a wave 3. So yeah, for upside, and that I think that's it for me today. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, thanks for your attention. I'll see you on the next one.